Introducing the Environment Sounds Pack. A carefully crafted collection of 168 high-quality audio files, designed to bring your game worlds to life. From peaceful forests to crashing seaside waves, from chirping birds and wildlife, to urban cityscapes and mechanical rumbles. This pack covers a wide range of immersive soundscapes. Whether you're building a tranquil countryside, a bustling city, or an intense mining zone, you'll find sounds for nature, crafting, fire, water, rock, wood, and more. Perfect for RPGs, survival games, simulators, or any genre that demands rich, believable environments. Every sound is 100% human-made. No AI was used in the creation of this pack. Add depth, add realism, elevate your project with the Environment Sounds Pack.
Kahve de alsanız.